Most vulnerability management programs in the world today fail. They don't just fail, they fail catastrophically. And I have experienced so many incident responses where I'm like, oh my goodness, this was an avoidable consideration. But unfortunately, today I see so many programs where we are doing vulnerability management triage in Windows, Microsoft, Excel. Yikes! Now, even if that is not necessarily the case for your organization, this style of problem is very typical within organizations. And we think about this as the processing realm within vulnerability management. You have a lot of discovery opportunities and many sources. How do you integrate those into a singularized system so that we can then prioritize and triage vulnerabilities as they relate to our own enterprise?